How to check TikTok birthday. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up TikTok on a device. Then tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. Then tap on account. Then tap on download your data. Then tap on select data to download. Then select custom. Now simply select profile and post. Then tap on done. Then tap on request data. Now simply download the file. Now once you download the file, simply open up the zip file and go to the profile.txt file. And there you can find your birthday. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.